Click on the link below to get price. The Whole Home Ducted Dehumidifier with a capacity of 98 pints per day is a formidable solution for controlling humidity levels in large spaces. This unit not only excels in performance but also integrates seamlessly into your home's existing ductwork, making it a discreet yet highly effective addition to your HVAC system. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its impressive removal capacity of 98 pints daily, which is particularly beneficial for larger homes or spaces prone to high moisture levels. Whether you're dealing with musty basements, humid attics, or generally damp living areas, this unit effectively tackles excess moisture, improving indoor air quality and comfort. The ability to maintain optimal humidity levels helps to mitigate issues like mold growth and dust mites, creating a healthier environment for your family. The MERV 13 filtration system is another noteworthy aspect. It not only dehumidifies but also filters out airborne particles, including dust, pollen, and pet dander, ensuring that the air you breathe is cleaner and healthier. This dual functionality makes it an excellent investment for allergy sufferers and those who prioritize air quality. Installation is relatively straightforward for those familiar with HVAC systems. Once installed, the dehumidifier operates quietly, with minimal disruption, thanks to its efficient design. The adjustable settings allow you to customize humidity levels according to your preferences, and the built-in hygrometer ensures accurate monitoring. One minor drawback is the initial investment cost, which may be higher than standalone portable units. However, the long-term benefits of energy savings and improved air quality can outweigh this upfront expense. Overall, the Whole Home Ducted Dehumidifier is an exceptional choice for homeowners looking to combat humidity effectively while enhancing overall air quality throughout the home. Its robust performance, combined with the added benefit of air filtration, makes it a worthwhile addition to any home environment.